Him. Oh, come, let us adore Him. Oh, come, let us adore Him, Christ the Lord. God of God, light of light, lo, He abhors not the virgin's womb.